Good day, and in this lesson, we will do hypothesis test in simple linear regression. In this table, we have the oxygen and hydrocarbon levels, and last time we computed for its slope and intercept, and we have determined its fitted simple linear regression model or equation. Also, we computed the estimator of the variance, sigma squared, sum of square of errors, SS sub e, and total sum of squares, SS sub t. Sigma squared is equals to 0.92. Now, we will do hypothesis testing. Given is our significance level or significance value. Alpha is equals to 0.01 or 1%. Our slope b hat sub 1 is 15.41. The number of samples is n equals to S sub double x is 0.66. X sub xy is 10.17. Our null hypothesis here is that slope is equals to 0, and the alternative hypothesis is slope is not equal to 0. Note that failing to reject the null hypothesis means there is no linear relationship between variable x and y. Our given significance level is alpha 0.01, and number 3, we will get the reference value of t. We will define the rejection region. We have the test statistic t sub o greater than the t critical value, comma, degrees of freedom n minus 2. We will solve for t sub o or the test statistic for the slope, and in the right side for the reference value of t, we will seek this in our statistical table. This is a statistical table for t distribution, critical values of t, and we will seek the reference value. First is we determine the significance level. We can see here the given 0.01 or 1% is in this column, and then next is find the degrees of freedom. Degrees of freedom is n minus 2. N is equals to 20. 20 minus 2 is 18, so we seek 18 here. Then along this row, we get the value 2.88 corresponding to the 1% significance level. Therefore, the condition t sub o greater than our reference value from the t table is 2.88. If this is true, we will reject the null hypothesis. If otherwise, or if it is false, we will fail to reject the null hypothesis. Next step, we will get the test statistic for the slope, t sub o. The formula is t sub o is equals to the slope divided by square root of sigma square divided by S sub double X. Our slope is 15.41 divided by our sigma squared. Sigma squared is 0.92 divided by S double X is 0.66 therefore our test statistic or T sub O is 13.06. Our last step is the condition T sub O is greater than 2.88. We substitute T sub O 13.06 greater than 2.88. This is true. Therefore, we reject the null hypothesis, and therefore there is a linear relationship between X and Y, the hydrocarbon and the oxygen purity level. Furthermore, we can get the p-value using a scientific calculator, and its p-value is less than the significance level. Therefore, we will reject the null hypothesis. Thank you very much.